ar Fedi'r cyntaf 1939, ymasododd yr Almaen ar Wlad Pwyl. Ymatebodd Prydain a Ffrainc drwy gyhoeddi ryfel yn erbyn Hitler a Natsiaeth.
The Second World War is the most bloody conflict ever witnessed. It is estimated that between 50 and 70 million people died as a result of the war, most of whom were ordinary people not involved in the fighting.
Daeth yr rhyfel â chaledu mawr I wledydd Prydain.
Cities were badly bombed and many people were killed.
Coventry, Llundain, Plymouth, Abertawe.
Collodd 384,000 o filwyr Prydain eu bywydau yn eu plith 15,000 o Gymru.
Over 67,000 civilians and 384,000 British soldiers were killed and 15,000 of who were Welsh.
Bydd eto dyna ddywedwyd, bydd eto dyna'r addewid, dim brwydro, dim ymladd, dim lladd. Ac ni fydd rhyfel mwy, ac ni fydd rhyfel mwy, ac ni fydd rhyfel mwy, bydd eto.
Food, clothing, petrol and even soap were rationed. Families were separated through evacuation, military service and war work.
Roedd teuluoedd a chwal wedi eu gwahanu gan ryfel.
8th of May 1945. The German army officially surrendered to Allied forces. The war in Europe was over after 6 long and hard years.
Dywedodd y prif weinidog Winston Churchill wrth bobl Prydain.
Peidiwch ag anobeithio. Peidiwch a ilio'i drais a gormes. Cerfwch ymlaen.
Do not despair, do not yield to violence, and tyranny march straight forward.
Ac nad oedd y rhyfel gyfan gwbl drosodd, dyma dechrau'r diwedd.
The beginning of the end of the war.
Wedi'r rhyfel, daeth heddwch. Aeth y Llywodraeth ati daclo'r 5 regioni mawr oedd yn tanseilio cymdeithas, oedd wedi ei nodi yn adroddiad Beveridge, sef angen, afiechyd, anwybodaeth, aflendid a sygurdod.
After the war, the welfare state was expanded. New benefits were introduced for widows, the unemployed, those suffering from sickness, and maternity pay and child benefit were introduced. Immediately after the Second World War, the government set up the National Health Service.
Diolch am y pobl a rhoiodd eu bywydau mwyn I ni cael rhyfyd.
I'm thankful for having somewhere to ride my bike over lockdown, and I'm thankful for the NHS and key workers for keeping us safe.
I appreciate that I get to spend time with my family.
Diolch am bawb sy'n cadw ni'n saff.
I'm grateful I can keep in touch with all my family and friends.
Diolch i'r gweithwyr allweddol.
I am thankful for the area that I live in because there are many places that I can actually go on my daily walks.
Diolch am yr amser ni'n cael gyda'n teuluoedd a diolch i'r gweithwyr rhengflaen.
Thanks to the NHS for doing a brilliant job in this crisis.
Ar amser anodd fel hyn, pan mae angen I ni aros adre, diolch o'r ymladd sy'n mwy brydferth.
I'm grateful for the NHS and key workers keeping us safe in this unprecedented time.
Hoffwn ddweud diolch i'r gweithwyr allweddol.
I'm grateful for our fantastic NHS that are working to save people every day.
Diolch i nyrsyd a doctoriaid am cadw ni'n iach.
I'm grateful for the NHS. I'm also grateful for the farmers who are carrying on and keeping us fed. Cheers.
I'm thankful that I got the freedom to play sports.
Diolch i'r athrawon am cadw ni'n brysur a rhoi gwaith cartre i ni.
Diolch i'r gwasanaeth iechyd gwladol.